Hi students, welcome to the Shorthand Hub channel. This is Harinaganand Idumudi, instructor of Shorthand. For all Shorthand grades, I am offering general and legal dictations. For this Shorthand subject, I am conducting both online and offline classes for the students. This dictation passage link and other crucial links are provided in the description box. Those who want to join the Telegram group can join through the link given in the description box. Get ready for the dictation on the topic of demonetization. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Start. Demonetization is the act of bearing a currency unit of its status as legal tender. It occurs whenever there is a change in national currency. The current forms of money is pulled from circulation and retired, often to be replaced with new notes or coins. Sometimes a country completely replaces the old currency with a new currency. In first, demonetization in British India was carried out on January 12, 1946. According to a report in the history of the Reserve Bank of India, the Reserve Bank of India authorities were not keen about the move. It appears that in spite of then opposition, the governor of the RBI, the government went ahead with the move and issued an ordinance on January 12, 1946. In 1978, rupees 1000, 5000 and 10,000 notes are demonetized. The President of India introduced the High Denomination Banknotes Ordinance 1978. On November 8, 2016, the central government, in exercise of the powers conferred by Section 26, Clause 2 of the RBI Act, notified that the specified bank notes shall finish to be legal tender with effect from November 9, 2016. The specified bank notes were banknotes of denominations of the existing series of the value of rupees 500 and 1000. On December 30, 2016, the specified banknotes ordinance 2016 was promulgated by the President of India. On 19th May 2023, India's Central Bank on Friday announced its decision to take rupees 2000 notes out of circulation, only 7 years after they were first introduced. The Reserve Bank of India stated that the decision has been taken under its clean note policy and clarified that the note will remain legal tender. India has a long and varied history of implementing educational policies at the local, state, and national levels. Over the centuries, the country has been many changes and development on its educational system with the aim of providing access to quality educational system. With the aim of providing access to quality education for all its citizens. Education is one of the fundamental rights of any individual. It helps individuals to become responsible and productive members of the society. It fosters critical thinking, develops skills and knowledge, and makes a person more responsible towards the society. In ancient India, education was considered a privilege of the best classes, with only a small portion of the population having access to formal education. In recent years, the Indian government has implemented several new educational policies aimed at further improving the education system. Some of the key policies and initiatives include the following: the Right to Education Act, passed in 2009, mandates that every child between the age of 6 to 14 has the right to free and compulsory education in a neighborhood school. The act also makes it mandatory for all private schools to reserve 25% of their seats for students from economically weaker sections. A special program was launched in the year 2001 to provide universal access to education for all children, particularly girls and children from disadvantaged backgrounds. Another scheme was launched in the year 2009 to improve the quality of secondary education in India. The National Curriculum Framework, revised in 2005, emphasizes the need for a learner centric and inclusive education system. The National Education Policy 2020 is a comprehensive policy framework that aims to reform and revitalize the education system in India. The new NEP is expected to focus on several key areas, including increasing access to education, improving the quality of education, and promoting equity and inclusiveness. This will involve expanding the reach of the education system, particularly in rural and remote areas, and ensuring that all children have access to quality education from an early age. However, its success will depend on effective implementation and adequate resources, and it will require continued effort and commitment from the government, educators, and the wider community. Stop. If you want to get more updates, please subscribe our channel. If you really feel that this dictation can help you in the competitive exams, please click the like button, share the video, and make a comment. We are also making this passage available to you in 80, 100, 120 and 150 words per minute. I am conducting both online and offline classes for the students. Anyone interested in joining the Telegram group can do so by clicking the link provided in the description box. Small note: grammar, contractions, special contractions, phrases, advanced phrases, and a special list of words needs to be written in every 15 days, and then only you will get a better speed in stenography. Thank you.